How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1970 GTO, numbers match, 455 4-speed. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. It's done in its factory pepper green. It's got cream interior. It's got the RamAir setup. Super, super nice car here. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice set of 17-inch PMD wheels on it. Nice little upgrade. Do have the original Rally 2s with BFGs. Car can be purchased either way. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the glass, excellent condition in this car. This car is very, very nice car. Very nicely restored. Again, it's got the original numbers match, 455, factory 4-barrel. It's got factory AC, power steering, your power disc brakes up front. It's got factory 12-bolt rear. See, it's got all the RamAir set up on it like it should. Very, very nicely done. Got front and rear sway bars. It's got the 12-bolt posi rear. It's all the jams. Beautiful, beautiful car. Really, really like the interior color combination. It's got the factory in-dash tack. All the interior in this car is excellent. It's got the deluxe wood wheel. Got several pieces of paperwork on the restore. Got the PHS documents on the car, factory jack and spare, some literature. Tell you, interior's gorgeous with the color green. And the radio's been reworked. It's got iPod capability and Bluetooth. Very, very cool. It's all stock looking. It's a good looking car. This is a car you can go to any show you want with. Just very, very nice car. You don't get many of them this nice. All the backup lights work. Got all the correct tips and everything. Super, super, super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.